Top 4 juices to restore vision and memory while you sleep. You know what most people never really notice until it starts happening? The slow fade of clarity in your eyes and your thoughts after 60. It's not about disease or diagnosis. It's about the everyday moments that remind you something's changing. You wake up and your vision feels cloudy for a few minutes. You walk into a room and lose track of what you came for. You read for a while and your eyes burn after just a few pages. The truth is, these small signs are not inevitable, and they don't have to define aging. New research in nutrition and cognitive health shows that the brain and eyes are constantly repairing themselves, but only when they're given the right support. The problem is that over 90% of older adults don't get the key nutrients that fuel this repair, especially during sleep, when your body is supposed to rebuild its cells and refresh the mind. Missing those nutrients means your brain struggles to form new connections, your eyes fail to recover from light exposure, and your mornings start slower than they should. The good news is that this can change, and it doesn't require pills or complicated routines. 4 natural juices, made from real foods and consumed at specific times of day, can help recharge the systems responsible for memory, focus, and vision. They work with your body's natural rhythms, providing antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that support nightly restoration. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Vitality. By joining our community, you'll get regular tips, advice, and proven strategies to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. Let's start with the first one, simple but powerful, carrot juice. Carrot juice is often thought of as old-fashioned, yet it's one of the most effective natural drinks for aging eyes and tired minds. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a pigment your body turns into vitamin A, which your retina relies on to capture light and send clear signals to the brain. Without enough vitamin A, the cells responsible for low-light vision begin to deteriorate, leading to night blindness, dryness, and slow focus. Carrot juice also provides lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that collect in the macula, the area of your eye that handles sharp central vision. These pigments shield the retina from oxidative damage caused by sunlight and screens, allowing your eyes to recover and stay sharp. For the brain, carrot juice delivers falcarinol, a natural compound that protects neurons from inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies in aging nutrition have shown that daily intake of beta-carotene, rich juice, can improve memory recall and concentration, especially in older adults with mild cognitive decline. The trick is absorption. Vitamin A and carotenoids are fat-soluble, which means they need a bit of healthy fat to be absorbed effectively. The best way to drink carrot juice is fresh in the morning with breakfast, paired with something like a few walnuts, half an avocado, or a teaspoon of olive oil. This combination allows your body to take full advantage of the nutrients. 2 or 3 medium carrots juiced with a touch of lemon or ginger is enough. Within weeks, many people report brighter vision in the morning and a feeling of alertness that carries through the day. Now, if carrot juice feeds the eyes, beet juice fuels the circulation that keeps both your brain and eyes alive. Most people think of circulation as a heart issue, but blood flow is equally crucial for memory and sight. As we age, blood vessels stiffen and oxygen delivery slows down, starving the brain and retina of what they need to function. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves oxygen transport. This process, called vasodilation, enhances blood flow to the frontal lobe, the area responsible for decision-making and focus, as well as to the delicate capillaries in the retina. Research on older adults shows that drinking beet juice daily can significantly improve cognitive speed and reaction time within weeks. It's also been found to maintain retinal health by reducing microvascular stress. The most interesting part is how fast it acts. Unlike fat-soluble nutrients, nitric oxide levels rise within 30 minutes of drinking beet juice, meaning its effects can be felt almost immediately. A simple recipe is 1 medium beet juiced with a small apple or half an orange to balance the earthy taste. Drink it in the afternoon, around 2 or 3 p.m., when your energy typically dips and your mind starts to fade. It's a natural pick-me-up that doesn't rely on caffeine. Even a small glass boosts oxygen flow, leaving you feeling more focused and your vision slightly clearer by evening. Pair it with a short walk to amplify the benefit, because movement encourages the blood flow that beet juice activates. Next comes a juice that doesn't just protect, it helps rebuild: blueberry juice. These small, dark berries hold some of the most concentrated antioxidants in nature, known as anthocyanins. They don't merely neutralize free radicals, they stimulate neurogenesis, the formation of new brain cells, and enhance communication between neurons. In controlled studies, older adults who consumed blueberry juice for several weeks showed measurable improvements in short-term memory and processing speed. The reason is that anthocyanins can cross the blood-brain barrier, reducing oxidative stress in the hippocampus, the memory center, and boosting levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which supports neuron survival and growth. The same compounds also protect the retina by stabilizing the cells that transmit visual signals. Regular intake of blueberry juice has been linked to slower retinal aging and better adaptation to low-light conditions. To prepare it, blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with half a banana and a little water for a smoother texture. The timing matters. Drink it in the evening, about 90 minutes before bed. That's when your brain begins its nightly cleanup and repair process, and the antioxidants can work alongside it. Blueberry juice also has a mild calming effect, helping you unwind before sleep while feeding your brain the nutrients it needs to restore itself. Over time, people notice they remember details more easily, their focus sharpens in the morning, and their eyes feel less dry after waking. The last juice may surprise you. It's green, light, and often overlooked: spinach juice. Spinach is a powerhouse for both vision and mental clarity because it contains lutein, zeaxanthin, folate, and vitamin K. The first 2 pigments directly accumulate in the macula, where they absorb harmful blue light and prevent degeneration. As levels of these pigments drop with age, vision becomes dull and sensitivity to contrast decreases. Drinking spinach juice replenishes them, improving clarity and protection. Folate plays another crucial role by supporting neurotransmitter balance, especially dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals tied to motivation and mood. It also helps regulate homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, damages blood vessels and brain cells. Vitamin K strengthens cell membranes and supports the formation of myelin, the protective coating around neurons that allows signals to travel quickly. The synergy of these nutrients makes spinach juice exceptional for preserving cognitive speed and visual accuracy. To make it, juice a large handful of fresh spinach with half a cucumber or a green apple to soften the taste. Drink it mid-morning or before lunch when your stomach is light and absorption is highest. Because spinach is rich in oxalates, moderation is important. 3 to 4 times a week is plenty. Within days, you may notice brighter colors, faster focus shifts, and a subtle lift in mental energy. Each of these juices targets a different but connected system. Carrot juice restores retinal function and focus. Beet juice enhances circulation. Blueberry juice supports neural regeneration, and spinach juice stabilizes neurotransmitters and visual processing. When combined, they create a simple, natural rhythm that aligns with your body's daily cycles. The goal isn't to drink all 4 every day, but to rotate them or choose 2 depending on your needs. A practical routine could look like this: carrot juice in the morning to wake your eyes, spinach juice mid-morning for mental clarity, beet juice in the afternoon to boost oxygen and energy, and blueberry juice before bed to nourish the brain during rest. This rotation keeps your nutrient intake balanced and prevents fatigue from repetition. The beauty of this plan is that it doesn't fight your body. It supports what it's already trying to do: repair, refresh, and stay alert. The first changes you'll notice are often small, like clearer focus when reading or sharper colors outdoors. Over weeks, those small improvements stack up into meaningful differences in how you see, think, and feel each day. Aging doesn't mean your senses have to dim. The human body has an extraordinary capacity to heal at any age, as long as it receives what it needs. Modern life, with its processed foods and constant screen exposure, drains the very nutrients that keep our neural and visual systems alive. Returning to something as simple as freshly made juice is not about trends, it's about biology. When you give your body beta-carotene, nitrates, anthocyanins, lutein, and folate from real sources, you reactivate pathways that have slowed down over time. You're not reversing age, you're restoring function. The key is consistency. One glass won't change everything, but steady effort will. Whether you start with carrot juice at breakfast or a calming blueberry drink before sleep, what matters most is that you begin. These natural tonics won't make you 20 again, but they will make you feel more like yourself, clearer, sharper, and more present. Over time, your mornings may start brighter, your thoughts may connect faster, and your evenings may feel calmer. Every small step counts. Pouring something vibrant and alive into your glass is a reminder that your body still knows how to renew itself. The tools are simple, the science is sound, and the results, if you stay consistent, can be remarkable. Because the truth is, your brain and your vision haven't given up on you. They're waiting for you to give them what they need. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-based tips to support your heart and overall health, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that can help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.